Hello and welcome back to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville 870XL and we replaced the pump per the customer's request. This is the old one. And we also replaced the solenoid valve, the old solenoid valve. The pump actually didn't need to be replaced, but the customer wanted it replaced, so we followed orders. So let's go ahead and grind some coffee. I'm going to set the iPad down while I tamp it. Alright, and let's go ahead and put the shot glass underneath, and let's go ahead and make a shot. See, we get nice pressure, and really a beautiful shot. Lots of crema. I didn't put the top of the case back together yet. I still have to do that. So you can see it's open a little bit, but we're going to close it up completely, and then it'll be ready to go. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.